Fighting environmental pollution can seem like an overwhelming task, but by taking small steps every day, we can all make a difference. Here are a few tips to get you started. What is environmental pollution, and why should we be concerned about it? Environmental pollution is a broad term that refers to any type of contamination that alters the natural environment. Pollution can come from a variety of sources, including factories, automobiles, and agricultural operations. It can also result from everyday activities, such as using household cleaners and disposing of waste improperly. There are many reasons to be concerned about environmental pollution. Polluted air and water can cause serious health problems, including respiratory illnesses, heart disease, and cancer. Pollution can also damage ecosystems, upset the balance of natural systems, and contribute to climate change. It is important to take steps to reduce pollution and protect our environment. Everyone can make a difference by reducing energy consumption, recycling, and composting, using less toxic chemicals, and driving less. Working together, we can help keep our planet clean and healthy. What are some of the main sources of environmental pollution? There are many sources of environmental pollution. Some of the main sources are transportation, industry, and energy production. Transportation is a major source of environmental pollution. Cars and trucks produce emissions that pollute the air. The exhaust from cars and trucks contains pollutants such as carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and hydrocarbons. These pollutants can cause health problems such as asthma and heart disease. The industry is a major source of environmental pollution. Factories produce emissions that pollute the air and water. The emissions from factories contain pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and mercury. These pollutants can cause health problems such as asthma and cancer. Energy production is a major source of environmental pollution. Coal-fired power plants produce emissions that pollute the air and water. The emissions from coal-fired power plants contain pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and mercury. These pollutants can cause health problems such as asthma and heart disease. What are some of the negative effects of environmental pollution? Environmental pollution can have a number of negative effects on both people and the environment. Air pollution can cause respiratory problems, such as asthma, and can also lead to lung cancer. Water pollution can cause a number of health problems, including gastrointestinal issues and neurological problems. Soil pollution can contaminate groundwater and make it unsafe to drink. It can also cause a number of health problems, including respiratory problems and skin irritation. Hazardous waste can contaminate soil, water, and air, and can cause a number of health problems. Climate change can lead to a number of serious health problems, including respiratory problems, heart disease, and mental health problems. All of these negative effects are serious concerns and should be taken seriously. We need to do everything we can to reduce environmental pollution in order to protect people and the environment. What can we do to reduce environmental pollution? There are many things that we can do to reduce environmental pollution. We can drive less, recycle more, and use less energy. We can also plant more trees and use less plastic. One of the best ways to reduce environmental pollution is to switch to renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power don't produce pollution, and they are also renewable, which means they can be used over and over again. We can also reduce environmental pollution by using public transportation. Public transportation is more efficient than driving, and it also helps reduce traffic congestion. There are many things we can do to reduce environmental pollution, and every little bit helps. If we all work together, we can make a big difference.